I founded a sustainable landscape design studio, and here's how my design team and I can travel to a site, spend 1, maybe 2 days on property, and gather enough information to determine what should go where, even when we're dealing with multiple acres. This project is in Santa Fe, New Mexico. It's over an acre of land, and it's dealing with severe erosion control issues and also wildfire risks, so those were our primary concerns. Day 1 is all about data collection. So we have a bunch of publicly available climate data, but now we're here on site, we're observing with our eyes. We need to see what the property's doing well, what it's not doing well, obvious signs of erosion, other issues. We're taking all of that information back with us to do the sector compass or sector analysis. This is always step 1 in our design process. We're using these radial wedges to represent directional forces that influence the property, things like human impact or wind or water or fire risk or so on, because we can use design elements like tree placement or earthworks to either amplify or deflect these things to reduce the energy needs of the property.